Hello everyone, it's Mace from Enclosure. So, have you ever or are you still worried about the sealing of casing? Now, Enclosure can offer a perfect solution for you. IP rating is a waterproof grade, and M series can reach the protection class IP68. It means that our enclosure can entirely submerge into the water, deep down 1.5 meters within half an hour. And our M series is one-piece extruded aluminum enclosure. Each cover has a sealing ring on it, and the screw holes are separated from the enclosure inside, and they are the key point for achieving entirely waterproof. What's more, we offer one-stop service. Size and color can be customized according to your requirement, but the width and the height is fixed. Only the length is customized. We color the housing by anodizing, which strengthens the surface but beautifies the appearance. If you like our products or this video, subscribe to our channel. You can find more interesting videos in our homepage. And that's it for today. See you next time.